Experiencing unusual noises coming from your car can be unsettling. Whether it's a mysterious hum, a squeak, or a clunk, these sounds are your car's way of telling you that something isn't quite right. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore some common car noises, what they might indicate, and how to address them. Understanding different car noises. Sound type: humming or whirring noise. Worn wheel bearings. When wheel bearings wear out, they can produce a humming or whirring noise, especially at higher speeds. Faulty tires. Uneven tire wear or tire cupping can result in a humming noise as you drive. Possible solutions: have your wheel bearings inspected and replaced if necessary. Check your tires for signs of uneven wear and replace them if needed. Sound type: squealing or screeching noise. Worn brake pads. Brake pads that are worn down to the wear indicator can produce a high-pitched squealing or screeching sound. Loose or worn serpentine belt. A loose or worn serpentine belt can produce a squealing noise, especially during acceleration. Possible solutions: inspect your brake pads and replace them if they are worn. Have your serpentine belt inspected and replaced if necessary. Sound type: knocking or pinging noise. Engine detonation. Engine detonation, also known as knocking or pinging, can occur due to improper fuel combustion. Worn engine components. Worn engine bearings or connecting rods can also produce a knocking noise. Possible solutions: use higher octane fuel to reduce engine detonation. Have your engine inspected by a mechanic to identify and address any worn components. Sound type: loud exhaust noise. Exhaust manifold leak. An exhaust manifold leak can cause a sputtering sound when the gasket seal gets compromised. Broken muffler. Sometimes rocks can kick up and puncture a muffler. This can also happen when low-riding cars roll over speed bumps too quickly. Catalytic converter. Sadly, because of their scarcity and their contents, your car's catalytic converter can be target for theft. Possible solutions: bring your car to RiceTire to diagnose the issue. Whether it's an exhaust manifold leak, punctured muffler, or missing catalytic converter, we can help. Steps to diagnose car noises. Listen carefully. Pay attention to when the noise occurs, where it's coming from, and what it sounds like. Perform basic checks of fluid levels, tire pressures, and check the condition of your tires and brakes. Seek professional help. If you're unable to diagnose the problem yourself, don't hesitate to take your car to your nearest RiceTire for inspection. FAQs. Frequently asked questions about car noises. Q. Why is my car making a rattling noise when I accelerate? A. A rattling noise during acceleration could indicate a problem with your exhaust system, such as a loose heat shield or a failing catalytic converter. Q. What does it mean if my car is making a clicking noise when I turn? A. A clicking noise when turning could be due to worn CV joints or a failing axle. Q. Why is my car making a grinding noise when I brake? A. A grinding noise when braking usually indicates that the brake pads are worn down to the metal, causing metal-to-metal contact with the brake rotor. Unusual noises coming from your car should never be ignored. By understanding what these noises might indicate and taking prompt action, you can prevent more significant issues down the road. Whether it's a humming wheel bearing, a squealing brake pad, a knocking engine, or a loud exhaust, addressing the problem early can save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. If you're unsure about the cause, it's advisable to consult with one of RiceTire's qualified mechanics who can conduct a comprehensive inspection and recommend the necessary repairs. RiceTire is the one place to go for your tire or wheel needs, automobile maintenance, and repairs in the Mid-Atlantic region. With over a dozen locations throughout Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Maryland, Virginia, and now Pennsylvania, we are in or near your neighborhood, making us your best local tire shop. Give us a call. We are happy to schedule an appointment to check your vehicle and get you safely back on the road as soon as possible.